And for you to be next to Jesus, if you want to be the first, you will be the last. And if you want to be with Him, you're not to be served, but to serve. Isn't this the message all politicians should learn and have the mindset to live by, mga classmates? In our current political climate, not only in the Philippines, it seems almost all politicians expect to have a VIP treatment and for them to be served rather than to serve. The only time they spout this kind of Jesus teaching is during election time. They all promise that things will get better. But once they are seated in their positions, we are now the ones who need to adjust to what they just want to do and implement. And we have to always swallow all their justification for why their promises cannot happen. If there's ever the best example of gaslighting, that's watching any politician who can't deliver their campaign promises. Why? Because their coffers must be filled up first. Their convenience and comfort must come first. And their preference must happen first to make their other businesses flourish. So I honestly wonder if there will ever be a politician who will go to heaven. They all claim to be not corrupt, yet we all get to see corruption daily and see the effects of their corruption from the way we live and have to sacrifice. So seeing that, what do you think the people who work for them will also do? Well, naturally, survival of the fittest, fight also for their positions within their political circles. So mga classmates, imagine if these people were truly following Jesus at that time. They would be flabbergasted. This is the same as the Pharisees and Sadducees, so they needed Jesus eliminated. So what about us, mga classmates? Are we going to be like Jesus' apostles who initially wanted to be in a position with God like pastor, head of the church, or pope, or be the most influential spiritual leader in the world? Yet Jesus wants you to serve and not be served. It is those people who are willing to give up their worldly attachments to serve the Lord who will be most blessed in His kingdom.